Did you know that by 2050, the number of people over 60 is expected to double, reaching over 2 billion worldwide? With aging comes unique mental health challenges, and that's where geropsychologists step in. But what exactly do they do, and why are they more important than ever? Stick around to find out. Welcome to my channel where we break down fascinating topics in psychology and mental health. Today we're diving into the world of geropsychology, a field dedicated to understanding and supporting the mental well-being of older adults. If you're interested in psychology, healthcare, or simply want to learn how we can better support our aging population, you're in the right place. First, let's define geropsychology. It's a specialized branch of psychology that focuses on the emotional, cognitive, and social aspects of aging. Geropsychologists work with older adults to address mental health concerns such as depression, anxiety, cognitive decline, and even the psychological impact of chronic illnesses. Now let's talk about why this field is so crucial. Aging isn't just about physical changes. Mental and emotional health play a significant role too. Many older adults experience life transitions like retirement, loss of loved ones, or decreased independence, which can lead to loneliness, grief, or identity struggles. Geropsychologists help navigate these challenges through therapy, counseling, and tailored interventions. Here's something to think about. Have you ever considered how aging affects memory and decision-making? Geropsychologists conduct assessments to differentiate between normal age-related changes and more serious conditions like Alzheimer's or dementia. These assessments help create strategies for improving cognitive function and maintaining independence. Another key aspect of their work is supporting caregivers. Family members and healthcare professionals who care for older adults often experience high stress levels, burnout, or even guilt. Geropsychologists provide guidance and coping strategies to ensure that caregivers can maintain their own well-being while offering the best support possible. Now let's make this interactive. Imagine you have an elderly loved one, maybe a grandparent, who seems withdrawn or down lately. What steps would you take to support their mental well-being? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let's start a conversation. Geropsychologists don't just work in clinics. They're also involved in research, policy making, and advocacy to improve mental health services for older populations. They collaborate with doctors, social workers, and families to ensure a holistic approach to senior care. Aging is a natural part of life, and mental well-being should be a priority at every stage. Geropsychologists play a vital role in ensuring that older adults live fulfilling, emotionally healthy lives. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might benefit from learning about this fascinating field. And remember, taking care of mental health has no age limit. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.